Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day. So today I thought I would show you how to enter options trades on the Thinkorswim mobile platform. So once again, I'm using an emulator for the Android. This is actually BlueStacks app player. So it's going to be just a little bit different than how it's going to look on a phone. But it should be close enough representation on how to use this platform. So first of all, we're looking at the SPY here. Just a chart, and if we want to go into the options and view the options chain, we'll just click on options right here at the top. To begin here with setup, there's a couple of things that I like to do or choose. First of all, that is going to be the spread. By default, I think this is set to single, and that's only going to allow you just to choose one contract, and that's it. You can also choose vertical, back ratio, all this other stuff, but I like to just set this to custom, and that will allow me to manually choose what strikes that I want to buy and sell. And then that will let us build really any type of options trade that we can come up with. Next, I just leave the exchange, or I set it to best. It may be there by default, I can't really remember. So we'll open up an options chain right here, and we can see that we just see 2 strikes. So we can change the amount of strikes that we want to view here. So I'm going to open this up to just 10 strikes for now. So now it's showing us 10 strikes. Okay, so now that we're viewing the options chain, one thing to take note here, you have the calls on the left, you have the puts on the right. Any option that you want to sell, what you want to do is you want to click on the bid. Any option that you want to buy, you want to click on the ask. So let's build an iron condor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this 591 here, the put, and then I'm going to click on the 590, the ask on that put. So that's basically created a credit spread here, the 591, 590 credit spread. And we can see that right here. We're selling the 591, we're buying the 590. Now let's go over to the calls, and we'll sell this 598, and we'll buy the 599. So now what this has done, it's constructed an iron condor. Now from this screen, if you want to change the amount of options that you're buying or selling here, what you can do is actually click up here, and then you can actually change this number. So right here we're 1, we could actually change this, and if we want to do 5, so now we're selling 5 of those, but we don't want to do that right now. We want to choose -1. So let's go back and fix that. But that is how you would change that. So now once you're happy with the strikes that you've selected, what you'll do is you'll click next right here. So now this has taken us into the order editor screen here, and we can see we have all 4 of our contracts listed out right here. From this point, we can choose a limit order or a market order. We can choose to enforce this for today. Right now it's saying that we're selling this, and right here at this limit price, we can actually change the price credit that we're going to get for this. So if you want to go to say 55, we could do that, but we can change the price right here. And that's how you're kind of work that bid-ask spread. So once we're happy here, we would go to review. And now once we're at the review screen here, it's basically just telling us what our break-evens are, what our max profit is, our max loss. And then we would go ahead and hit send if we're ready to sell this. But I'm going to hit back real quick. One other thing, we can go to more right here, and this is where we can go to the create advanced orders and all that other stuff that I showed in the last video. But anyway, this is how you use the order entry screen for options on the Thinkorswim mobile platform. So hopefully this was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.